Hello everyone and welcome to Jacklit Educational Channel. This is the time to announce the results for the quiz contest which was conducted on 15th of June 2020. So those who are new, they should know that we are conducting environmental science quiz on Monday. So subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification. So these are the rules for the quiz contest. You can pause the video and see what are the rules. So let's discuss the questions first. The first question was, which of the following is not a detritivore? So here all of you have given the correct answer, that is option number D, Hydrilla is an aquatic plant, it is not a detritivore. Moving on to the next question. The next question was, the lowest temperature is observed in which of the following atmospheric layer? So the correct option will be option number A, mesosphere region. Yes, and the highest temperature is found in the thermosphere region of atmosphere. Moving on to the next question. The third question was, the digital elevated model is best represented using which kind of models? So the correct option will be option number B, raster data models. Yes, the raster data model helps to know very frequently and very easily because it is measured in the pixel form, which is more accurate than the vector data model. The fourth question was, mean residence time of soil organic matter is maximum in which kind of ecosystem? So here the correct option will be option number B, the boreal forest. Yes, the boreal forest, which is also known as taiga forest, is having the highest residence time of the soil organic matter. As the nutrient cycling is slow because of the low temperature and rainfall pattern, this organic matter stays on the forest floor. The fifth question was, which of the options describe the word speciation correctly? So the correct option will be option number C, that is splitting of one species into two or more different species naturally is called as speciation. The sixth question was, which of the following is a non-probability sampling technique? So here the correct option will be option number C, the convenience probability. So here the name it is having the probability, but it is actually a non-probability sampling. So the option correct will be option number C. Let's move to the seventh question. The seventh question was, organic wetland soils have which of the following characteristics? And the correct option will be option number C, high cation capacity is the characteristic of organic wetland soils. The eighth question was, according to Wildlife Protection Act of India, who is the authority to grant permission to hunt rogue animals? So the correct option will be option number B, the Chief Wildlife Warden is the authority to grant permission to hunt rogue animals. The ninth question was, the decision-making process in environmental impact assessment generally does not include which of the following aspects? So the correct option will be option number D, the operational management aspect. The final question of the quiz contest was a numerical. Yes, we had to calculate the molar extinction coefficient of a 1 × 10 to the power minus 4 molar solution which has an absorbance of 0.20 and the path length was 2.5 cm. So there is a very simple formula, that is A is equal to KCl given by Beer-Lambert law, or K is sometimes known as E. So we have to write all the given values, A and C and L are given, we had to find the K. So after solving all this, we will get the answer is equal to 800 mole inverse centimeter inverse or 800 dm cube per mole per centimeter. So let's reveal the name of the winner, and the winner is Asma Parvez. Congratulations to Asma Parvez for securing 10 out of 10 correct answer. Along with Asma, Deepshikha Gupta and Srishti have also secured 10 out of 10 marks. Congratulations to them also. Along with that, other participants were Pragati Singh, Fatima Selna, Sabnam Kamboj, Oli Bora, Tejaswini Singh, Chanchal Kumari, Nikhara, Falguni Mahanti, Somen Jana and Anurag. So Anurag is the new participant and you all have done well. So try to improve every time. If you like this video and this concept, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. All the best to everyone.